Vous, vous êtes artiste, and you, are you an artist? Vous avez quel âge? You are what age?
What is it?
Hey there, welcome to French and You, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
Okay, let me share the screen and then we will discuss. One thing.
Second
Yeah.
question.
What's the difficulty?
So like in first one, quels sont vos coordonnées and then vos numero the telephone. So both are possible in this case.
No. हमें यहाँ पे देखना है नो फेमिनिन प्लूरल वाला वर्ड कौन सा है बिकॉज आप अगर ये वाला वर्ड देखोगे कैल तो आप बताओ कौन सा वाला फेमिनिन प्लूरल है बिकॉज QUELLE हम फेमिनिन के लिए यूज करते हैं सो इनमें से व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हिच वन इज द फेमिनिन प्लूरल
सेकंड वन numero तो टेलीफोन
फेमिनिन प्लूरल
फेमिनिन प्लूरल ओके को अच्छा coordinate yes okay and second one is long parler
it's not long it's long parler yes so it will be quel long vous parlez
quel long vous parlez especially this one how to specialité so is it
like speciality something same as in English
okay and the third one
quel est votre Dutch what do you think
votre pronomen quel est votre nationality
what do you think which is correct
quel est feminine singular so nationality this one is feminine
it's correct quel est votre nationalité nationalité is a feminine singular word
so in this case quels sont vos numéros de téléphone quels sont vos numéros de téléphone this would be the masculine
but Anup हमें ना feminine हमें masculine plural देखना
plural okay
because यहाँ पे if you will see it's QUELS
plural masculine
masculine plural form so what do you think what's your answer
but long is this long is feminine
long is a feminine word
so feminine plural word long so in this case this numeros de telephone
numero de telephone will be the correct answer
and quel âge vous avez
c'est ça quel âge vous avez
quelle est votre profession
you can always remember the words ending with ION are feminine okay so now can we have you classified I mean all the
quel nom and quel nom masculine singular
masculine singular के साथ और क्या आ सकता है और कौन सा वाला एलिमेंट ले सकते हैं
quel âge
exactly very good very good quel nom and quel âge also we can do what about feminine singular
quelle profession quelle nationality
exactly quelle profession quelle nationality both are correct what do you think about Masculine plural.
Masculine plural. Quel numéro de téléphone?
That's it. Quel numéro de téléphone?
Feminine is quel beau courtenay. Quel long.
That's it. Now, what do you think about this one? I mean, have you done this?
Yes. This one is okay. Fourth one. Bonjour, je m'appelle Tom. J'ai 40. J'ai 45,
Mhm.
45, and
It will continue.
I could find only one in this. J'ai 45 ans.
J'ai 45 ans. Okay.
45. Yes.
It will be LA. तो हमारे पास सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा? सेंटेंस इज दिस.
J'ai
J'ai and LA. Sounds so. Right? These are the two corrected. यहाँ
but ये
पे ये age.
sentence
This is also
no
age.
some. Okay, age.
You know?
Okay. So
This is
no.
age, so it will be changed
Okay.
to nous avons.
Okay.
Avoir verb.
Wow.
Nous avons 51 ans.
Okay.
And one more mistake is there.
Vous avez. Vous avez.
Vous avez. It will
Vous
be
avez.
vous avez. Quel âge? Okay. What do you think here?
Just be. This just be Colombian.
It will be je suis Colombian. Easy, I know French. Hello, we Marius and Adela. We it has to be we are. Nous sommes Lithuanian. यहाँ पर आएगा nous sommes. ये हमने मिस कर दिया था. I just checked. ये nationality है ना, because they are representing themselves. So nous से Marius and Adela मतलब we no, here we are like Marius and Adelia. We are Lithuanians. And we are, or maybe we have the age when they are mentioning 51 years old. Okay, we are musicians. Et vous êtes artiste, and you, are you an artist? Vous avez quel âge? You are what age?
What is it?
Vous êtes anglais? Are you English? Okay, fifth one.
So this one c'est les passport de Nicole. So we say son passeport.
C'est correct. Okay.
C'est votre classe. Oui, c'est notre classe.
Oui.
C'est la photo de Marcus. Oui, c'est sa photo.
Très bien.
C'est les professeurs de Tim et Moussa. Oui, c'est leur professeur.
C'est leur professeur.
C'est la.
So, c'est ta voiture. What do you think?
C'est ta voiture. C'est ma voiture.
C'est ma voiture.
C'est ton badge.
C'est ça. So just go through this one once and you can note it down in your notebook also.
So this one or center université.
Universitaire.
At
It
today,
means at the center of at the university center of French studies of Grenoble.
Grenoble means center of.
Grenoble is the name of the place.
Name of the.
And this Suédoise.
Suédoise. Suédoise is Swedish people.
Why are we saying this is okay, my class is very nice. Then the next statement, c'est très bien pour toi.
It's very nice for you.
Okay, my class is very nice. It's very nice for you.
Because यहाँ पर उसने लिखा है ना, यहाँ पे in this odd frame, je cherche une classe sympa de niveau. I am looking for, I am searching for a nice A1 level class.
A1 level class. Okay, that's all.
That's why she has. That's why he has written
You know, it's
Gabrielia.
good for you.
She has-
Yeah, it's
Ah,
very good for you. So on these lines, we'll make a response. We say feel to girls feel P.
P.